How to disable or turn off double-click to pay on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and move into accessibility. Inside accessibility, head over to touch inside physical and motor. Here at the very top, you can see the option of assistive touch. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on confirm with assistive touch. Click on continue. Now double click on the side button in order for you to confirm into the passcode of a device. Once again double click to confirm, and there you go, double click to pay on iPhone has been disabled. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.